Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is ShiningFolake Craft Studio. Yes, I have a tutorial for us today, and I'll be doing crochet. So this is what I want to show us, how this air packer, can you see? This is air packer. So you can use it for our hair. If you are doing Bob Marley or any long hair, you can use it to pack your hair. You can double it. I'm not a hairdresser, so just pardon me. So if you are doubling it twice, it will go twice. So I just want to show us how I was able to do this. So if you are new on my channel, this is ShiningFolake. I do bead, crochet, or any type of craft work. But basically this channel is for crochet and bead making. So this is what I'll be treating today. So also I think it goes for bangle as well. So this is the way it looks like. You can use it for any costume. This is it. So I won't like to take much of your time. Let's go straight to the tutorial fully. This is it. And these are the materials I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these two colors. This is the foundation. I'm having my rubber here. I'm having my crochet. I think this is 0.2, and my scissors. So let's start. I want to take this time to appreciate all my subscribers, especially those who are busy watching my video. Thank you so much. I love you. And if you have any question on all my videos, on all my lectures, please drop it. Drop it at the notification something, so that I can see it, at the comment box rather, so that I can see it and do justice on it. So I'll be using this blue for this. I will be using the blue for the background. So the first thing you have to do is to tie the blue. I will have to tie this to the, tie it twice. Then take my crochet. Sorry. Tie the crochet like this. Single crochet round. I'll be doing this for round. I have to do it for round. So to join it together, this is how we are going to join it. So now I've joined it now. So this is how I got this one. So to build on top of it, now do 7 chains. 7. So I have to look at the hole, take the second one, another 6. It's either you take this one, depends on how fuller you want it to be, but I will be taking the second one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm putting 7, then look for the second. So this is what I will do around. So I will do it round. So this is it, but there's a little bit different there. You can see this one is more fuller than this. This one is lighter, this one is fuller. So let me show you what happened. So I will have to start another one. This is it. I'm using yellow. Yeah, the same thing, but this one is fuller here. So this is what you are going to do if you want it fuller. So I'm going to do double crochet. So can you see it's almost full? So for me to leave it like this, I will have to pull it down. And you see, you pull it down, then you now do it round again. And you see, you pull it down. You know, it's like this. But if you want this effect, you have to do what? Pull it down, then you now do it again. So can you see the effect? This is how I get this. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. So this is how I get this. Then after getting to the style that you want, if you want it more fuller than this, you have to. So after getting what you want, if you want it fuller, then you now do this one on top. So kindly subscribe to my channel. God bless you.